Hey guys, it's Gloria from Tinker Wonderland, and here is our place right now. Here's the beauty of winter. As you can see, after the snow showers the whole day yesterday, it's January 23 right now, and our weather is so nice. Yeah. Just gonna show you how beautiful it is. It's all white all the way. Look at my tree. I can feel that bird bowls or bird feeder now. I don't know where the birds hide. But yeah. So far, here is what we're dealing with. Look at the stairs on my front door. It's covered with ice or with snow. Look at those footsteps. Can you guess whose footsteps is that? Those are from the rabbit. Limping. They've been hopping around my yard. I think they are trying to look for a place to hide or hibernate. And that big footsteps is from the mailman. So yeah, this is the beauty of winter, guys. And here is my backyard, all covered with snow. Right on my front door, all the way to the car. So yeah, but it looks nice because it's all white, but it's super cold right here for now. But again, this is the beauty of winter, guys. God bless us with too much snow today, but it's still, we have to look for the beauty in every day, guys. So yeah, that is the thing that I always remember, always try to remember, to see the beauty in every day. This can be a storm or bad scene for other people, but for us, this is still a blessing, a beauty of the nature, beauty of winter, all white, all clear, and cold. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe on this channel, Tinker Wonderland. And look at the footsteps of our rabbit here. I don't know where they hide. I hope they are safe too. I hope they found a place to hibernate. So yeah, again guys, thank you all for watching. Thank you for spending some of your time watching this video. And I will talk to you on the next one. That's all for now. God bless everyone. My father is up there in heaven, and my grandma. Hello guys. I am here in cold weather. Thank you again for watching, guys. That's all for now. God bless everyone. Bye bye.